Ready to enter the world of crypto and DeFi? Learn how to create a MetaMask account and unlock the power of blockchain technology. Let's get started. Visit the MetaMask website. Click on Download. Let's go with the Chrome extension. Click on Add to Chrome and Add Extension. Now let's create your wallet. Click on Create a new wallet. This part is not mandatory. You can opt out if you want to. I will just click on No Thanks. Now create a password. Now this part is important. Secure your wallet. For explanation purposes, I'm revealing the seed phrase here, but this is very important. Make sure nobody is looking, copy this seed phrase, keep it in a text file or something, and keep it safe. Confirm the seed phrase in the next step. And that's it, you just created your MetaMask wallet. This is the basic interface you get, and here you can switch your network. So in the next video, I will explain how to connect the Dojima network to your MetaMask wallet.